Set up one. My people, how it go? Me I go talk and talk one time. Because a big setup go on. Me don't know how where it come from, how it go. Me don't know if them the amount of something I have to talk. I want to tire it. I want to tire it. Y'all give me a backdrop.
Too fast. Everybody on face.
Oh, the light. Oh. The mirror reflect. Alright. Nisha said today is my birthday. Can you tell me happy birthday? Happy birthday, Nisha. I'm gonna talk one time and done. Hey, Tatiana _ you start the live with the right sentence. Tatiana _ Miller. You know the assignment. You say me nah lie. You're born forget a fight. Hey, me tell you, my people, them fight me right through. Me not for there so. Me not for there Miami. You ever hear people say if you follow your mind, you can't go wrong? If you follow your mind, you cannot go wrong. Me go explain to you from start to finish. Me go explain to you everything what want, everything what happened to me, everything what I go through. For end up reach yes so that Chug it could have even make a post and disrespect me. Me go explain to you. Yes, when me explain, I want to explain one by one, and when me talk, I want to show me proof because I now come back come talk. Chug it just make a post on them Instagram page. So I go live a while ago, I'm telling them I not talk nothing. I go try to remain professional. Chug it make a post a while ago on them Instagram page. Say them a go sue me and them pay me how much money and basically, me I sue them back for defamation of character. Because I sue for sue, I go on right now. I go show Chug it, sir. Any other promoter will plan to use my fans them. Them now go do it again. So right now, Chug it, you can make sure no say. I sue for sue. Anybody can sue, you know. Anybody can jump up and say, we're going to sue. But Chug it, you can't sue me and win me. You cannot sue me and win me. Andrew, you cannot sue me and win me because your contract has been breached 100 multiple times. Before I got here, your contract have been breached. A friend thing me I do make me day here. So me I go take it from top and come right back down to the bottom. Me I go start from 2 of my travel party. Oh, it start. Me I start from 2 of my travel party was to leave from Jamaica to come up for this venue, right? To come up to this show. The flight was 8 o'clock. Of course, you know them when I get up and reach airport from 6 o'clock. Them call me out of my bed. Say, them ticket cancel. So I say, what you mean by your ticket cancel? I say, call the airline and find out what's going on. What you mean by you get email say ticket cancel? When them call the airline tell them say fake credit card, it come up in them system say fake credit card and them cancel the ticket them. Me say to them say, but no, me know the promoter Andrew could not use a fake credit card. Call pan a 3-way, find out what's going on and get to the bottom of it. Me tell them, you know, me say a promoter did do this to me already pan American airline. And me not in a foolishness. Anyway, they make them call and them do what them do. I had a show in New York for at 97. Yesterday? For at 97. Yesterday. So we were supposed to leave from New York and come to Miami. I performed with my 2 dancers them, Tayeri and Cookie. They were supposed to travel from New York and come to Miami for Chug it. Who that man? When we're there in New York, how much o'clock in the night, I don't get no information from Chug it promoters. You hear me? I tell you, everything when me talk, I don't know, fiction. Me don't know how them gonna make a post and say them assume me, you know. Because everything is factual. You know how much a clock? Them send the ticket for me come and chug it. Not my ticket, you know, because me buy my ticket for come here. You know how much a clock in the morning when me I got my bed at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock? What time? Everybody around the table, me just attack first. 4 a.m.?
4 a.m.
A business manager is here with me. 4 a.m. this morning is when we get flight information to come to Miami. At 4 a.m. When nobody never have no tickets, nobody never have no hotel information, nothing, nobody not have nothing. Cookie, that I'm a dancer from New York, was supposed to go up on one different flight because them claim say them buy the ticket last minute. That means say we never plan for my perform, no chug it. Me just want to explain myself because me ignorant, me want to talk and explain to the people them from morning. We never plan for me there year. The itinerary never send no flight information, nothing. 4 a.m. when we get the flight, we send it to Cookie. When Cookie wake up, we go up on the flight, pass the screenshot. I go and flip the camera. Me I take it one by one. Chug it, you go sue me. You can't sue me and win me. You contract breach. You contract breach. From last week. Sorry for Marga dog and them turn around and bite you. Me not for there, so me not stop say it. If me follow my mind, me won't wrong. You can read? Read. Hold on, I can put it up. Then buy a ticket for me dance upon JetBlue. See the subject, where the subject say. Then buy it from one, them see properly. Then buy it from JFK to Miami. Read the subject. 2:50 a.m. I want to make sure you can see it. Hold on, I come out in, come right here, so. Tell me if you can't see it. If you can't see it, you type it. Date September 4 2:50 a.m. Somebody say nice in the background. Turn off the AC there, everything. You type it. If you see it, you type it and tell me what the itinerary I say. Just a wait for somebody say no I can't see. Somebody type what them see. Your itinerary has been cancelled. Look good. At 2:50 a.m. 9/4. That was this morning. 3 o'clock that. Just tell me if you don't see it. Somebody say cancelled. Cancelled. 2:50. Alright? So them I see it. We see it. Alright. 2:50 a.m. It say your itinerary has been cancelled. Alright. That was Cookie ticket. That's my second dancer. That's the second breach, you know. Every ticket them buy, me no know warm to them credit cards, so it look like say me no want to go on some money, cause every ticket on the buy cancel, on the card no stop cancel, on the card no stop decline. You see, if me did follow my mind, uno get a chance to take liberty on me. When me dance a ticket cancel, and my travel party from Jamaica ticket cancel, me, Grace Hamilton, turn round and say, you know what? I am going to buy my ticket myself. And when I reach, they can reimburse me for my ticket. Remember, me not supposed to do this. Me an artist, you know. Me could have said me not come. Remember, me say me couldn't. Me never want to come. And Andrew put me in another problem here, and him same one. I push me deeper in our problem. Hold on. And me buy my ticket for come here. Andrew no buy no ticket for me. See me information here. Flip the camera again. This now show good. It look like more to look a dark corner so them can't see too much light. Wanna read this properly? See it there. You don't know how to put up the picture up on the screen. Hold on, sit here. You have this sent to me, because remember I can't put the picture up on the screen, you know. Hold on, man. They must can read. See big Grace Hamilton there. Hold on. I'm sorry, I never put it on my phone. Them say them can't see.
Alright, let me put it. No.
Send it to me. Me can put the picture on my phone. Send that to me. When you can't see me, I'm going to make you see. Hold on. Me buy my ticket last night, this morning. 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. Just hold on. Me can attach the flight from right here, so just send it to me on my WhatsApp. As a matter of fact, this is the least. Because when you say when I go sue, so when a lawyer come, the receipts are here. Who can see it good, now go see it good. Make sure I flip it again. Hold on.
I wipe it off already.
That's my name. I just want them see. I wish them could have see the flight time. Me buy the ticket. Hold on, it's a method of payment. And it there. Now, you don't have to see everything. Lie, you go see everything because Chug it, remember, you son go sue me. Me turn round and say, you know what? Let me buy my own a ticket for come. And me go up on my card. And buy my flight this morning for come and Chug it. Me, Grace Hamilton, do that. Me no for there. Me no for there. Long time I could have turned round and say, here what? Chug it breach them contract. Me not coming. But you not stop posting the show sold out. Or show sold out. And I say, me nah do that to my fans them. Because my fans them I love and support me. So me I come. Me buy my ticket and come here. Stick a pin and hold on. You see when I buy my ticket and come here and I reach at airport for Chug it to pick me up. What happened out at airport?
No one was there.
Nobody no come at the airport to pick me up. Hold on, Andrew.
People want picture.
And then never
Andrew.
had a car.
Me have to hide from people. Me stay bad because I land from the show from flight and we send me ticket till how much o'clock a morning. And me have to hide in a bathroom. And when me look, no car no there to pick me up. Me start make a video because guess what me plan for because me know so something you that plan for me. Pass the feed of them. You can't sue me, but you can't win.
Blatant disrespect.
Hold on. Andrew, you never know me a plan for you. Start it back. Start it back.
This and do not go have all kind of something for. It's a blatant disrespect, man, and blatant fuckery. And you know what the worst thing when time people come talk about who no go say this and do not go have all kind of something for say. And people come at airport come sit down all long away town now and tell me about oh you're pulling. I'm pulling the car. You just a rent car when me land 1 hour.
Skip it again.
No.
Hold on.
Make sure I make that video, yeah? I'm going to save it because guess what? Uno going to come say this and uno going to come say that. And I ask you.
You see me a profit? You see me a profit? Hold on. You see me a profit? I airport this me there make video for now. You never know say me a plan for a long time. Say me have the whole of my receipt them before this happen. Before shit hit the fan. You see me a profit? You see me know say something no right, we don't know. Flip back the camera again and play the video again. Different one this. Where the other one?
It's a blatant disrespect.
Now the same one that. Play back the next one. I try them.
You know why I make the video come and have no look we do now. And so when I buy a ticket and go back on my yard and go lie down in my bed, you're going to hear say me this and you're going to hear say me blood clot that. But Chug it, me make sure I make the video from now almost an hour I sit down on the airport. Me I go home. Remember me. Everything, we don't have no hotel to give me, we don't have to buy more than tickets for come here, so it now go work.
Next video. So how it
Make sure I
start.
make that video, yeah, for Chug it. I don't know if take off my mask. I make that video, yeah, for Chug it, and I make it from now. So I'm at the airport. I sit down out at airport. Almost 1 hour now, I sit down out here, and nobody come pick me up. And me buy my ticket for come to Miami. When I buy a ticket and the phone ticket I cancel and all, I don't want to look at them. I don't want to fuck up my name for no airline because you know so they have to travel. You know so I come out and come sit down, nobody no come pick me up.
Chug it, you can sue me. Chug it, let me rephrase my word. You can sue me, but you can't win. You can try to sue me, but you can't win because I sue for sue because the post they want to make on the page, me a sue no back for defamation of character. Andrew, you're wicked to me. Andrew, you're wicked to me. Me try with you. Me not for come here, me take up my one money and buy ticket for come here. And when me reach, you not send no car to pick me up. Oh, me left airport, pass the lift ticket. Pass the lift. You can't sue me, Andrew. Andrew, you don't know me. Me not trouble people. At 20 years, me a perform in a dancehall. Me never miss a flight. No care how me have show back to back. No care how the flight at 6 o'clock in the morning. Me never miss a show. Me never miss a flight. You deliberately set me up for me miss that show, yeah. I don't know the reason, but you can't trick me. A long time me a video, no. A long time me a put on my receipt. Me see it long time. Me's a profit. Me not trouble people. I saw me stay. Me prayer up. Pass the lift receipt. Let me show the people them how me left from out of Miami airport. One by one. $7:30 p.m.
We landed at 6:30.
We land at 6:30. See it ya. From Northwest, Miami-Dade, and whatever the case may be. See it ya, September 4, 7:30 p.m. My people, that's how I left from airport. Andrew breached him contract long time. Hold on there now. You see now, everybody has said, Andrew the promoter for Chug It. Chug It when me I try safe because Chug It is a brand of Jamaica. Chug It when me tell myself, say, I will never do this. Them lead me to do this. Because I tell myself, say, listen, you see Chug It is, me rate Chug It and me rate Sons and me rate Dream Weekend because them is a brand for Jamaica. So I tell myself, I want to do this. At the post where they make a while ago, bet me I do this, I go talk about you go talk about you pay me much money and ray. After me I force and I struggle with it upon my back. After and I force me to force them to pay me my balance too, because guess what? Today I was gonna go live at 2. Me not reach this yet. Alright. Them say to keep the people them in the background say to keep my train of thoughts. When me left from out the airport, me reach at the hotel. What happened when me reach at the hotel? This is my bid. Come right here, so business manager. People, please to meet Elsie. Elsie last name. She's a crazy last name. I travel around the while. This is Elsie, my business manager. When you reach at the hotel, what happened?
They had all regular rooms, and we still had to put a card on file. So I'm going back and forth. This is the queen. She never does a regular room. So I'm going back and forth with the people. They're like, it's Labor Day weekend. We don't have any rooms. We, after 30 minutes.
We have to get to one a suite. We have to get to one a suite. No room, a regular room. A regular room, them not get no suite. And we have to get to run a regular suite. Else if you work overtime, and I tell the people them say, we have an international artist. Can we speak to the manager so we can get on a room never book? The room never book. Alright? Strike 1. Strike 2. Strike 3. Me still a press on. You know what me do? Me take it up for myself and send an email because I want to know if I sell Andrew French, sell Chug It, authorized to a different promoter. And sometime a different promoter can buy out Chug It and keep it a foreign. So in my head now, me I say, I know Andrew French a deal with me, so. And Andrew make me there, I buy me one a ticket, me have to carry me work on me one a car. So I take it up on myself and me send an email out from my email. Because me I tell Ray, who is my booking agent in Jamaica, say I be a fuck Ray go on. And you know Ray, I go proper type it and professional. So me take it out of Ray and I send it. Because I want Andrew to say a fuck Ray go on. Hold on. Me send the email from my email. This is what I sent. I'm sorry, so I can't put up the picture. Hold on. I put up the picture for my something, man. See it there, I click picture, but I look for it. Where the email there? See it there? This is an email that I sent. You want to read it? We have time, a whole night. Read it for me. I said, this is to me may concern. This is Spice. I decided to write. Oh, my face there over some of the words up at the top.
If I move it, but it
Oh, me can move it. Anyway, me see if I can remember what I write. I said this is Spice and I decided to write this email because Ray Alexander have a tendency to be professional, to stay professional, and I want to be very clear that the level of disrespect that I have been receiving is utmost fuckery. Me write that from my email to the Chug It people them. I said first my people went to airport in Jamaica and the flight was cancelled because of bank card issues, resulting me to buying my own flight to come to Miami. Then the dancer flight was cancelled today again. When I land here, there was no car outside to pick me up and I had to call my own car. I said I was mad to go back home. And on the same flight, same time today, I only Andrew French name alone I save this. But let me be very clear. If I don't receive my full balance per diem and full reimbursement, this is for the reimbursement, because I book my flight, everything. I said if I don't receive my full reimbursement by midday tomorrow, I will take a flight back home and I'm going to go on IG live so that my fans are aware that I will not be performing at Chug It tomorrow. Because at this point, I don't think Andrew is keeping the show. Let me take off this back off
at 10 something.
at 10 o'clock last night. Let me take off back this half I sitting now. Stop sharing. Una go sue me if I me like when me delete that post there. That was last night. Alright. They replied to me. Let's go back for the reply.
Bombo.
We reply there. Chug It. A two reply there. Chug It replied to me and said, "Good night, Spice. We must start with a huge, sincere apology for the inconvenience that occurred thus far. We appreciate and we are grateful that you have reached out despite all these major setbacks. We have received the information from parties as you have communicated. We are sending a representative to you." Cause remember, them not send no per diem, them not send nothing, them not pay nothing, them not book no flight, them not do nothing. Them contract breach from last week. Sue me? Hold on. Our parties were made aware of a significant unforeseen issue with the permit.
They deleted the picture.
Them delete the picture? What them a delete it now for? Disrespect, big disrespect. I mean, I sue them for defamation of character. 20 years me I perform and I never miss a show. Me never miss a flight. You never hear a promoter say Spice not their show. Me no run joke when it come to my career. I mean, alone build my career. I mean, now make nobody tear it down. Our parties were made aware. Then put a more detailed one. Hold on. Let us pause because them over them page I post, so I have to read it. We would first like to apologize to all our patrons for the disappointment associated with this staging featuring Spice, as Spice will confirm all obligation to the artists were fulfilled and the full payment was received, inclusive of the deposit, a full balance and other associate expense, more than 6 hours before she was set to perform.
The balance was given at 4 o'clock and we had a performance at 7. So 4, 5, 6.
No, let the lies begin. Because just screenshot this. So when them liar come, all the receipts are here. Just make them go and dig the hole for themselves. The venue from 8:15, however, up until 9:26, our representative did not see her at the venue despite paying her thousands of dollars, and what? Her requirements were met.
Sure wasn't. No writer. Hold on.
No right.
No hotel.
No, hold on.
No,
That is over Chug It page. That's what they're saying. So at this point, we're really going to do a sue for sue because them continue to defamate, to do a defamation of character. And me are going to make them be an example. You know why me I make them a be example? Because me go through too much to make this happen. And them still I try to put the blame upon me. Hold on. This is from Chug It last night. Our parties were made aware of the significant unforeseen issues with the permits. Them never have no permit for keep Chug It here. That's why 2 o'clock to them, me go tell the people them say, me nah go Chug It, make them run back the people them money. But I follow me, no follow my mind. I beg them, beg me. Them beg me. But me should have follow my mind. If you no notice earlier to them, I post on Instagram say I have a big announcement to make about Chug It. But me never follow my mind, and that's why me I get that beat here. Our parties were made aware with the unforeseen issue of the permit, and it is now being sorted, and our focus is to rectify this matter with the utmost urgency. Again, we sincerely apologize for these occurrences. Oh, you go back on this now. Stop sharing. Let me go back on the next picture. This will come from Andrew now. This is from Andrew. Good day, Spice. This is French. Your what is? Oh, me take my picture of fight. You can read it without my picture. Me don't know if I move my picture, but anyway, Andrew sent me back an email today, and Andrew talked about him sorry for the delays on the transportation and the flight, and Oh, see it up on the next phone. Good day, Spice. This is French. Your email was sent to my attention on behalf of the team, and I apologize for all the issues and the delays with your transportation and the airport. And we are already taking disciplinary measures, and the personnel who contributed to this, we are happy to have booked you. And additionally, our representative named Mr. Lewis will arrive at the hotel with your full balance, and he came with 15,000, and we wanted to send cash up. You cannot cash at me $6,000. You cannot cash at me.
Use that.
Reimburse.
You cannot cash at me. So we telling you, so we don't want no cash up. Because you can't cash at me and the same way like how no card that decline and you couldn't buy the flight tickets, cash up and go decline. So me telling you, so I cash me water on the vex. You can't cash at me. And he came with a cash app and he's ready to make the payment. Your road manager Elsie said she don't want any cash app, all kind of fuckery. All kind of fuckery them a text me from today and tell me. All kind of foolishness.
In cash only.
Right. After the contract where we send them for the reimbursement before we come here. Long story short, Chug it on set me up. On the thief me funds them money. On the thief me funds them money and set me up. Pass the text where the big long one when name Louis say at 9 o'clock you have to perform. Because I him attack and I have to run up his mouth. Pastor Will, me I start sweat. Anytime I start get ignorant, me start sweat. The one when name Louis. See me text me. You never text it to me because when I put it on my phone it better, you know. Let me look it, let me see something. But you don't want to send cash up. Me should have followed my mind and go live today. 2 o'clock when me say me that go live, this wouldn't happen to me. Me too enough. Me too enough. Me love people too much. I don't care how people fuck me up. Me still continue to look out for people. You never know. Eh? Me still continue to look out for people. No care. Enough. When me call my manager today, you know my manager said to me, my manager said you should not be doing this show. I'm not sure why you're going through so much to do this show. My manager said, you should not be doing the show from the breach this contract. You should not be doing the show. I mean, not listen. Pass the text when Louis tell you what time I'm a performance. Pass it. Chug it on a wicked. You never have it put it up on my phone when time I saw it certain show. If you want to see the performance time, you want to tell me. If you can't see the performance time, you type the performance time. See? Leash said 9 p.m. Louis say my performance time is 9 p.m. Isa say we see it. Tayeri say 9 p.m. Tayeri, you mix up here. Oh, you're in the room and you're type the time.
No, because them style the thing and is them not be honest, bro. Them style the thing and them switch up Elsie word when we did in front of them when we did a talk to Louis and Louis word. Him switch up Elsie name. The word, whatever the conversation was when we did out there in the restaurant, them switch up every single thing and say, Elsie, we tell Elsie say a certain time when we never tell them that. We tell them, give we itinerary, give we every information what we need at 12 o'clock. Midnight and 12 o'clock midnight pass. And still never
stick up in. Stick up in. Elsie say me, hear me Elsie. What a man name? Louis. When I promoter say me I perform 9 o'clock. And when me reach at the venue, him say police lock off the venue 9 o'clock. You want to tell me say you never know what time the state give you the venue until? Cause me a promoter, me keep Spicy Friday, me keep all kind of something. When you're going to one venue, the people them tell you what time them give you until. So you know say 9 o'clock the venue did a lock off. You rob me fans them, you spitefully take me fans them money and never want me perform. Cause you don't want to come back come say you want back money on this on that on that. You can't sue me but you cannot win. Makeup artists, come here, DIDNT and Nasworthy. Let me flip the camera again. This is my live receipt them. Me come off of my live receipt. What time you reach? Me come off of my paper receipt. Voila, me flip back the camera. Me have all of my paper receipt them when me I go to court. So anytime Chug it ready for sue me have all of my receipt them. So but me I go come off of my paper receipt and me I go for my human receipt. This is my live receipt now. Hold on there, Deandra.
Yes.
What time did you come here to do my makeup?
I came here about 2:45 so I can set up for 3 o'clock.
Alright. What happened when you came at 3 o'clock?
They said the time pushed back. So I said, okay, well, let me know what the update is. So they said you're performing later on at 9 o'clock. So we said, okay, we'll come later on around 7 o'clock to start makeup. So
you left the hotel at 3?
Yes.
And what happened?
Went back home to come back later.
And you came back here what time?
At what time? 7.
Why you come back at 7 again?
Because they pushed the time back again.
Okay.
So
that is my human receipt. Come in at the courthouse, Tahiri. Because me have to take bad things, make joke. This is my next human receipt. Well, this is my human receipt, them.
Let me talk. Last night, okay, one thing, I don't know if you know me, but it's my rate spicy. I mean, not all over.
You can't do it, Camille is a push off for me. You cannot do it.
She don't like woman. She tell me from 2009.
She don't stop all over me. Me don't like people touch me up.
Yeah. But one thing about Tahiri. Anytime when them ask or say nothing, I always look up or stand up. You see, from when the restaurant last night, that man came, Mr. Louis, you come and you talk to it. And even when Elsie was talking, Tahiri did not have any business butting in that argument because guess what? That is Spice, booking manager or booking agent, or that is her
deal with the business. And your part say just leave her to do with the business because you're a dancer.
You see, because true, I also realize this is my ground. Me live in Miami. Me live at Fort Lauderdale. I mean, me dead down here all the time. No part of me come here and say, I wish part them keep it. And I said to the guy, even when they were speaking, I said, on the shore, say 8 o'clock, really, I look after even because when you have certain things over them rich area there, them things they know
what time it lock off.
Early thing. Normally we have bad party and big bad party we come from Jamaica and yeah in a Winwood them keep it in a Winwood, them keep it over one part the side, we out in a ocean water where you can take boat and all these things to come bring a guy the event. And over there so them keep it. And even with that, I explained that to him and him say, oh yeah man, it was just a lot of things and it was so hard to get this and so hard to get that. Not a lie. You see when time we did that, Elsie said, make us know everything before Spice wake up.
Can't get no itinerary.
You just kayete. Me say Spicy cannot get no information before she wake up. We need to get the information before we go to bed, 12 o'clock midnight. And the man say, okay. The man go back the next day and today and tell Spice people them say, Elsie say we confirm with them to get information at 4 o'clock.
Lie.
And not never go so. We're not getting an itinerary, cooking a day here. None of the people, Spice and people who come from Jamaica on a day here. On top of that too, we didn't have any form of anything.
Oh, no
hotel, no food.
We make up work.
Nothing. We never have nothing and I still explain to him, so listen, Spice is very upset. Every minute, oh well we're very sorry.
We love her.
Come in at the courthouse, come in at the courthouse.
So much excuses and so much apologies because at the end of the day,
come in at the
self no one hear that.
Come in at the courthouse. Sit down, madam, this is a professional thing with the round table in at the courthouse.
I record, should I record Louis, but
my business manager today she nearly tell me say me have to go fire the way the people them have her in a ring of roses. Ring a roses, your pocket full of roses. Asham, them nearly mad way.
All fell down, cause clearly we know they know it right now.
They say them mix the girl, them spin her, them twist her, them call her.
Me did it.
Talk.
So
this is me human receipt them cause them talk.
So full?
Lie them lie.
Yeah.
Alright, so they knew that the balance was supposed to be paid. Nothing later than 2 p.m. 1:30
no, but at 12 o'clock, me tell them.
12 o'clock.
I tell them 12 o'clock.
It was 12.
And them call back and switch and I say them have cash up. And me I say cash up, them can't cash up me because them can't no stop cancel. Me no want to cash up from
Here
them.
we go right here.
So it was 12 o'clock originally. And them still never come to 12 o'clock. And then you tell them, say, here what? Me I go wait until 2 p.m. At 2 o'clock, them still no come. Them still I say them have cash up the money short. I be a foolish this. Hey, Andrew, hey. You know what? Me depend on something along, you know. What other receipt me have? What other receipt? He said
they still never came with the
5,000 cash up. Hold on, flip right here, so. All my business manager have our receipt. Thanks. he said he did not accept the 5,000 cash app. So with the 15,000 cash, so the courier just collected. Hold on. The courier just collected the 5,000 from the ticket. Slide it back when say what time this. Them talk to you. Hold on.
Right there.
Oh, you get the time. See time, yeah, hold on. That's a 1:55.
Time is ticking.
Yes, you can sue me. But you can't sue me and win. Because in the first place, I never did for buy it there in Miami. From me buy me one ticket, me shouldn't come here. So I don't understand. Oh, una go post up them something there on Instagram. Me I go make on a sorry so I post it. Because I sue for sue. Because I defamation of character on the depend. Because I go out and me wait to come and chug it. Me pay me one way, me buy me one ticket, me find me one hotel, me find me one drive, and it's still never enough for no. Una still turn round and I try for defame me name and my character. You never know. Me have screenshot for kill. Me have receipt for kill. Me have paper receipt. Me have video receipt. Cause me have video from me out of airport. And you never know say me a plan for you just like on a plan for me. And me have human receipt.
Hold on. You see when time Spicy write something and she say this she go post and she say me you know me go and me say Spicy. We see where you're right, you're both for post on Instagram. Don't post it yet. Just give them a little time. Give them a little time. Me and Elsie.
But I wanna help fuck me up. I wanna help fuck me up because you know why? You see if me go on Instagram 2 o'clock today, them couldn't blood clot come now when I talk. Because I would go on Instagram and tell the people them say be a fuck ragwan and me now go there chug it. So all of this would have been avoided. And then me should buy me ticket for come here so them couldn't get to say me breach contract because they couldn't buy me ticket. So me should have left them in them body whole long time. So wanna help fuck me up too.
No, we never help.
Say you cause it
no, we have to be more professional.
No, you are professional. Cause when me professional, me end up them throw shit in my face.
Okay, shit is okay, but you're not saying you can wipe off the shit when it done in your face.
Me no want them throwing shit in my face.
That's what I'm saying to you. At the end of the day,
anyway, people
give them that energy there, and I'm glad you did
but
that.
Look,
then.
but look, me never give them the energy and look for the energy where them a give me. You go over them Instagram, go read what them a talk about. Say I'm me. After me go through so much, when me I go through it for me never did have to go through. Me should stay in New York.
Then they said if you turn around.
Me should never lie you.
I never tell if you turn on a Elsie.
But when me say me go live,
you tell her.
When me go live, are you?
Let's walk back to the gate.
I should have come live to the people and tell you everything that is happening, else I wouldn't be in this predicament. I'm going to come off of the live, come on the live long time. I give you all of my receipts, and I give you everything, I explain everything to them, and I left nothing. My lawyers, in the morning, I will send all my receipt. I don't know how I'm going to send my human receipt, but all of my human receipt I've got to come a court because hey, have a good day. My fans that came to Chug it, that pay them hard earning money to come and see me, let me take this opportunity to apologize on behalf of myself. I apologize that you never see me, but the queen was here. I've been waiting from how much o'clock for do my makeup and them tell me all kind of foolishness. Them set me up. I don't know what's the reason why them set me up or why them never want me perform or how them plan to do this or why them do it. But I was here. I love you know. Me don't want to make nobody drag my name. Me give you all that I got. I love you know, and una the reason why I go all out and my way to do all of this. So let me just apologize to all the people that came out to Chug it. The worst part about it, they had a sold out show. They had a sold out venue. So this what them do to my fans, it was wrong.
Wait.
And a sue for sue.
Can't finish. They asked you to come to the party tomorrow. What party is going on tomorrow? Wait, don't tell them.
When we reach at the venue, hear the man name Louis, no? Don't say call promotion anymore. Hear the man, boy. You can come today. Like say them like that's the plan. Like them plan to take the fans the money and try to double make money again for tomorrow. But anyway, Chug it. My lawyers and I and my receipts are waiting on you. My paper receipts are waiting. My video receipts that I have been videoing all of what you guys been doing from airport till this day are waiting. And all of my human receipts are waiting.
And voice and recording.
And I have all the recording just like Una have all the recording. So you guys have a good night. Once again, I apologize and I love you guys. Mwah. Una take care. Walk good.